Wait, I gotta turn you up.
Subscribe to my bestie YouTube channel. Keandra Wilson.
Yeah, y'all, this is the before. Sis need a little work. Alright, y'all, so this is the before of the wig. Now, don't get me wrong, these curls are actually still popping. This is what's not popping. Y'all see this? Product buildup, child. The part is giving orange. Like, I'm not here for it. I'm not here for it. So I'm about to be reinstalling this closure wig. I'm gonna be taking it from this to about to get sis all the way together. I'm about to go wash this hair. This is Megalook hair, y'all. I've had this hair for a minute. I believe I have an initial install video. I have a 3-month update, and here I am to install it again. This hair is bomb. I bought it with my own coin. Okay, so, and Megalook, if you watching this, just give me credit. Like, y'all can post me or whatever, but like, just give me credit or something. Like, put your girl at name. But yeah, y'all, she's super cute. I think this is 22 inches, 24. And these curls are still bomb. And I haven't worn a wig in a minute, so I thought I would do another video of me doing a reinstall. This time I'm gonna be doing it with a closure. So yeah, that's enough rambling. I'm about to go wash this wig and do all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna be ready to reinstall it. All right, y'all, so here's the wig freshly washed and pressed out. Your girl did that. She looking real late at the top. She looking real sleek. And I also put some quick little curls in the hair, but I'll be fixing them later. This is what the wig is looking like on. I'm just positioning it. I don't even know why, because I'm getting ready to clean my hairline anyway. Before I clean my hairline, I'm going to be using my lace tint spray on the inside of the lace, and I'm going to be going in with my ribbon alcohol just to clean my hairline. And I'm also going in with these cotton rounds, so I'm just using that to clean any makeup off so that the wig will lay properly and it will actually stick. Now I'm going in with my Got to Be Glued spray, and I'm going to be using this to lay the wig down. I'm just spraying it right on top, y'all, just like my last video. If you did not check that out, make sure you go check that out. And now I'm just blow drying that, and I'm also going to be brushing and combing through just so the Got to Be Glue don't get crunchy and the hair don't get crunchy. So yes, I'm going to be just blow drying that dry, and I'm going to be using the end of this edge brush. It has like a rat tail type of thing, like a rat tail comb, and I'm just using that to press the lace down. And I'm going to be doing the same on the other side. Y'all, this is super easy, especially because it's a closure wig. Y'all know what happened to my blow dryer. I ain't about to keep explaining and giving a little disclaimer every time. It is what it is, period. So I'm just brushing that out, and I'm just doing the same exact thing. This is so easy, y'all. Now I'm just tweezing the baby hairs, and any spots that I see are too dense, too thick. I'm just thinning those out, and then I'm going to be going in and cutting them shortly with an eyebrow razor. I'm doing that now. Just cutting them short. Y'all, it was trial and error with these baby hairs. Y'all gonna see. I'm using my Got to Be Glued gel per usual, and I also went in with my mousse a little bit. One of these days I'm gonna try just mousse because I do like that soft baby hair look, but I'll just be using my Got to Be Glued gel, whatever. Yeah, it was trial and error with these. Y'all can just watch, but in the end I end up doing them how I always do them. I don't know what happened and why it took me so long. I was tired, child. So yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do them. Yes, I am.
Nah, let's put this in the video.
The conversation?
Nah, this. I'm gonna say right now.
Oh, say something, bestie.
Subscribe to my bestie YouTube channel.
Period. Wait, I gotta turn you up.
Subscribe to my bestie YouTube channel. Keandra Wilson.
That's just that on that.
That's just that on what I just said.
So after I finally got them how I liked them, I'm gonna be tying them down with my elastic band. Now I'm taking my band off and I'm gonna be just fixing the curls, adding some more curls into the hair. I'm just checking everything out here, y'all. This was just super easy. I don't know how much more easier it can get, y'all, with the closure and some got-to-be glue spray. Like no glues or nothing like that, just gel and got-to-be glue spray is all I'll be using nowadays to lay my wigs down when I don't plan on keeping them in. But now y'all just see me going in with my favorite flat irons, and I'm just doing some flat iron curls throughout the hair. So after I finished all the curls, y'all just gonna see me playing with the hair. Can we talk about the bounce? Can we talk about the curls? Like, look at them. They are so bomb, y'all. And I've had this wig for a little minute, and I'm just in love with how the curls came out, how everything came out. I'm just running my fingers through them, and I'm just gonna be playing with the hair until I get it to my liking. But yeah, y'all, that's basically it. That's how I reinstalled my closure wig from Megalook hair, period. And yeah, y'all can just watch me kind of finesse and play with this hair, and then I'm gonna close out the video. Alright, y'all, so my camera is literally about to die, so I'm about to go ahead and close this video out. Y'all, this was me reinstalling my Megalook hair. Y'all, this is a 4x4 closure. If y'all really want to know all the extra details about this hair, I did, like I said, a 3-month review and an initial install. But yeah, I just reinstalled this wig. This hair is still bomb. I've had it for a while. I genuinely love this wig, y'all. I got it from Amazon, and it was super affordable and it's super worth it. Like I said, if y'all want to know any other extra details, head out and check out those other videos. I will have them down in the description box down below. I'll have them in the iCards. What else? That's about it. That's how I reinstall my wigs. Make sure y'all go check out the other video that I did. And yeah, that's it, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post new uploads. And I will see y'all in my next video.
Ever asked what you love, pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you show me some love, kisses.